Maple Lane Equestrian Trailers has on offer today a Champion Western. This is a 2020 model with a metallic silver roof and front bow, and you have a Western decal on the side. We brought this model in with a Dura-Ramp combination on the back, which is an option on this particular model. And we have in the Western trailers slightly lower chest bar settings. You can see on this stall versus this stall that they're a little bit lower, designed more for quarter horses, Arabs, Pasafinos, gaited horses, and the like. Inside the 31-inch wide stalls, you have places to tie or cross-tie your horses at the front, a hay ring in the net, blue and white lighting, which is new for 2020, a place to tether on the top of this saddle box, and easily opened windows that are tinted for night driving. We've also included an external tie bar on this model, a place where you can tether two horses, and we have a Western saddle storage, a little box here, better capable of holding your Western saddles. This is the Champion Western.